What's up, traders? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Akmela Kine. I'm the lead instructor from Keenfx Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to talk on how to be a disciplined trader. We know discipline is a very strong threshold for every trader, so ask any profitable trader. When it comes to discipline, that is a very big task. It's a crucial aspect in trading. So you are not alone. If you set a rules today and you fail to follow your rules tomorrow, you are not alone. So it happens to everybody, every traders. So but there's this strategy I want to share with you guys. So I used this strategy to overcome discipline in my trading journey. And what is the strategy and how does the strategy go? So I'm going to share the strategy and I want you to apply it into your own life too, for you to be able to be disciplined about your trading journey. So I want you to watch this video to the end. I'm going to share the strategy. I'm going to explain how you are going to implement it into your trading journey. So the first thing is that you are going to look into your life. So leave trading aside now, then look into your normal day-to-day life. Look into something that you are very addicted to. You understand? Anything you know that you cannot do in a day or 2 days, which you cannot do without doing in every day of your life. There's something you must do consciously and unconsciously. You must do that thing. You are very addicted to that thing. Maybe that thing you used to relieve stress, maybe that thing you used to clear your head, maybe that thing. So there's something that is you are very addicted with. It could be drinking, it could be a social media addiction, it could be pornography, it could be smoking, anything. So now, what you are going to do with that thing is, after identifying your addiction, you understand, then set a rule that you want to limit that thing. You understand? That is, you want to be consciously aware of doing that thing now, so you don't want to be addicted to it. Like you want to be doing it once in a week, or maybe once in 7 days, or maybe you don't want to do it at all. First, focus on that addiction. You understand my point now? First, focus on that addiction. If you can achieve that, trust me, being a disciplined trader has been very easy for you. You can achieve stopping or limit your addiction in normal day-to-day life. So being a disciplined trader will be very, very easy for you. You understand? So after trying to limit that your addiction or stopping it, so then come back to your trading career, set your rules again, then discipline yourself to follow those rules. You understand? But if you find it difficult to stop that your addiction, or to discipline yourself about that your addiction, it will be very hard for you. Don't come into your trading career yet. First, focus on that your addiction in your normal day-to-day activities. Once you are able to overcome that, then you are good to go in your trading. You will be a disciplined trader automatically, because you have the power, you are in control to overcome your addiction. Definitely you are going to overcome discipline. And discipline in trading, there is no successful trader or a profitable trader without a disciplined trader. You have to become a disciplined trader before you can become a profitable trader. That is how it's been structured. There's no way you can be a profitable trader, maybe by luck. You understand? It's possible by luck, maybe and that is not profitable, because the money you make by luck from trading are going to the market is going to get it. So it's a matter of time. So a profitable trader is those who make money consistently in the market. You understand? So those who know when to trade and when not to trade. Those who follow their rules. You understand? Even during the market roller coaster, they stick to their rules. So the emotion don't lead them to any impulsive decisions. So those are the disciplined traders, and it's very easy for you. You can use the strategy I just shared with you, because that is what I use, and it's very, very useful for me. You understand? So my own intuition with that addiction, so I can stress the monitoring, then I need to get it, then discipline myself in not You understand? So I didn't go to any social media for like 7 days. About those 7 days challenge, no social media for 7 days. You understand? So yours could be any other thing. So we can discipline yourself on that thing. So first go like 7 days challenge on that addiction, and 21 days or you overcome it. So after that, then come back to your trading. Set your rules. Set your rules. Listen to your rules. At any time you lose a trade, you leave the charts, or you close your laptop, or you leave your any trading platform you are using, MetaTrader or any Trader or anything. So you leave that side. Don't want to make any impulsive decision. So you want to trade only your strategy. Just put it down on your rules, then watch it happen. So guys, if you like this video and you want more of this, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to on the notification bell so that anytime it drop some educative and psychological video like this, you'll be able to notify immediately. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.